everyone. Welcome to our December 10, 2020 class. So first, let's start our class with a review. What letter is our letter friend? It's the letter L. And what is the sound of the letter L? L. The sound of L is L. The sound of L is L. All the letters make a sound. The sound of L is L. L for lion. L for lock. L for lamp. L for lemon. L for laundry. L for llama, and L for leaf. All these pictures have the L sound in the beginning, and they all begin with the letter L. Good job. So now that we're already done with our beginning sound, how about we trace our letter L? Do you still remember how to write letter L? We write the capital letter L like this. Lazy L is easy to write. Just a straight line down and a line to the right. That's how we write our letter L. Let's do that again. Straight line down and a line to the right. One more time. Straight line down and a line to the right. What letter did we make? Yep, we made the capital letter L. So let's proceed to the next slide and let's practice writing the capital letter L again. We make a straight line down from the top and go to the right. Start at the top, line down and go to the right. Line down and go to the right. Line down to the right. Line down to the right. Very good. You know what? We always have to start at the top. You can also try practice writing the letter L on your whiteboards. You can get them and you use your whiteboard marker to write the capital letter L just like teacher. So let's write it again. We start at the top, make a line down to the bottom and go to the side. Line down to the bottom, go to the side. Line down to the bottom, go to the side. Line down to the bottom, go to the side. One more time. Line down to the bottom, go to the side. We made our capital letter L. Let's see what do we have on the next slide. Ooh, it's our Play-Doh mat. Because we are already done with our capital letter L, this time we will have lowercase letter L or small letter L. So let us start making our Play-Doh letter L. You can use your Play-Doh, your dabber, or your marker. Teacher Sarah will use her marker to make rainbow letter L. Just like that. Lowercase letter L is just a line down to the bottom. Remember, we always start at the top and we make a line to the bottom. One more time. Start at the top, line down to the bottom. I have my rainbow letter L and I'm going to trace letter L here 3 times on the bottom part. And here on the side, we have pictures that begin with the letter L. Let's start with octopus. Does octopus begin with the letter L? No. Octopus. It begins with the letter O. So we should cover it. You can use your Play-Doh or your dabber to cover your octopus. For our next picture, we have lamp. L is for lamp. Yes, it is. So let's check it. And for the third picture, we have leaf. Leaf. Does it begin with the letter L? Yes. So let's make a check also. And we have lion. Lion. Does it begin with the letter L? Yes. So let's make another check. And we have our lock. Lock. Does lock begin with the letter L? Yes, it does. Did you finish making your Play-Doh mat? Good job, girls. Now for our next slide, do you remember this one? We did it last Monday. So we have our match the beginning sound. So we have to cover 4 pictures that begin with the letter L just like lamb. So how about the first picture? Lighthouse? Yup. How about house? Nope. How about leaf? Yes, that's correct. How about lion? Uh-huh. How about ladder? Very good. And for the last one, 5. No, it does not begin with the letter L. It begins with the letter F. And here, it's now time for us to make our letter L book. Our first thing that we have to do is we have to trace our capital letter L and our lowercase letter L. And we also have to write our name. So when we turn the page, we have to trace the words and we also have to color our pictures. And remember our sight words, I and S makes is, FOR makes for. Okay, so you can pause the video now and you can make your letter L booklet. Okay, did you finish making your letter L booklet? That's a very nice. So now, because you're already done, how about we read our words? Okay, let's read it together. L is for leaf. Let's read that again. L is for leaf. Good job. Now for the next page. L is for ladybug. One more time. L is for ladybug. Now let's turn to the next page. L is for lion. One more time. L is for lion. Very good. Now for the last page, L is for lock. Last one, L is for lock. So remember, the pictures that begin with the letter L, we have L for leaf, L for ladybug, L for lion, and L for lock. And for our sight words, I and S reads is, FOR reads for. Now let's see what we have on the next page. Ooh, it's time for us to get our letter sound round up because we have to look for the pictures that begin with the letter L. Are you ready? Let's work together. L is for lock. Lock. Correct. L is for log. Log. Very good. It begins with the letter L. How about the lollipop? L is for lollipop. Yes, L is for lollipop. How about lion? L is for lion. Yes, it is. How about sun? Sun? No, sun begins with the letter S. How about lamp? Lamp? Yes. How about hammer? Hammer? No. How about lawnmower? Lawnmower? Yes, it begins with the letter L. How about crab? No, it begins with the letter C. How about well? Well? No, it begins with the letter W. How about leaf? Leaf. Yes, that's correct. L begins Leaf begins with the letter L. Very good. Let's turn to the next slide. Ooh, it's shopping for letter sounds. Please get your worksheet, trace your name, and cut your pictures so we can work together. Is everybody ready? Very good. Okay, let's start with newspaper. Does newspaper begin with the letter N? Yes, it begins with the letter N, but we have to look for the pictures that begin with the letter L. Newspaper? Hmm? No. How about leaf? Leaf. Yes, it does. In the basket it goes. How about lawnmower? Yep, in the basket it goes. How about fish? Nope, stays there outside. How about doll? Doll begins with the letter D. Outside. How about lamp? Yep, lamp begins with the letter L. It goes in the basket. How about log? Log. Yep, log also begins with the letter L. It goes inside the basket. How about grape? Grape begins with the letter G, so it stays outside. How about lion? Yes, lion begins with the letter L, so it goes inside the basket. And for our last picture, we have lock. Lock also begins with the letter L, so it goes inside our basket. So let's see. We have leaf, lawnmower, lamp, log, lion, and lock. All of these things begin with the letter L. Ooh, it's time for us to draw. So teacher chose lamp, ladybug, lock, and leaf for her to draw on her screen. But you can choose on other things that begin with the letter L to draw on your worksheet. So teacher Sarah will first draw a lamp. So let's see, I'm going to draw a tall lamp. Okay, this is what my lamp will look like. And maybe I will color it color pink. Oh, it did not change color. Let's try that again. Okay, I have my pink lamp. Now it's time for us to draw our ladybug. Okay, let's make the circle for the head of our ladybug. Let's make the body of our ladybug. And how about we draw the eyes of the ladybug, the smiling mouth of our ladybug, and also the antenna of our ladybug. There. And let's not forget the legs. Tiny, tiny legs for our ladybug. And you know what? Our ladybug, usually ladybugs are color red. Their body is color red, and you will know that it's a ladybug because of the black dots on their body. There we go. We have our L for a ladybug. Now for the next picture that we're going to draw, I want to draw a lock. So we put locks on things that we don't want people to get inside or to get. For example, if we have a bike and we don't want the bike to get stolen, we put a lock on it. And then I want to color my lock color brown. Did you draw a lock also, or did you draw something else? Okay, for the last picture, teacher will draw a leaf. I'm going to draw a leaf. Do you know where leaves come from? Yes, they come from trees and also from plants. And leaves have different colors. But the leaf that we always see is color green. And you know what? If your leaf is color green, that means your leaf is happy and healthy. So what did teacher Sarah draw on her screen? She first drew, where is my pen? Okay, I drew L is for lamp. Next one, L is for ladybug, L is for luck, and L is for leaf. What did you draw on your screen? Sorry, on your worksheet. Did you draw the same pictures that teacher Sarah did? Or did you draw something else? I think your work looks very nice and very colorful. So let's proceed to the next slide. Ooh, it's already time for us to write our lowercase letter L. Do you know what? Lowercase letter L is the easiest letter to write because little L is just a long straight line. Ladybugs walk down it because it looks just fine. So we just start at the top and we just make a line down, just like that. Let's try it on the other side. A line down. There you go. Start at the top and just take a line down. And we made the letter L. Yes, capital or lowercase letter L? Good job. It's a lowercase letter L. So for the next slide, we are going to practice writing our letter L. Remember, start at the top, make a line down. At the top, straight 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 line down. Start at the top, straight line down. What letter did teacher write again? She wrote lowercase letter L. So the teacher is already done tracing the lowercase letter N. It's now your turn to write the lowercase letter L on your worksheets. I want you to make your lowercase letter L straight and nice, okay? You have to write it properly so that your letter L will look very nice. So it's already finished. Teacher Sarah is already finished with her lesson. You just have to finish your worksheets and I will see you on Friday. Don't forget to get your friend from mommy and daddy. Bye-bye.